It's fascinating to have you here today as we step into the intriguing world of celebrity secrets. From botched surgeries to shocking wardrobe malfunctions that we've uncovered. There are many mysteries hidden in the alluring shadows of Hollywood. Leave a comment. And let's explore their secrets together. Lin May, whose real name is Lilia Guadalupe Mendiola Mayeres, was born in 1952. She was one of the top vedettes and dancers in Mexico during the 1970s and 1980s. Lin May participated in over 100 famous films, gaining recognition for her beautiful appearance and sizzling figure. The cosmetic tragedy of the 71-year-old actress. Lin May is a victim of an obsession with cosmetic surgery. She was deceived by someone who injected oil into her face, causing her appearance to become distorted. According to OK Chicas, due to the nature of her work, Lin May always paid close attention to her appearance. However, this obsession led her to a tragedy when she was 30 years old. Initially, Lin sought to improve features on her face, such as her cheekbones and jawline, through cosmetic procedures. In fact, the cosmetic work led her to become obsessed with her appearance. On one occasion, while trying to enhance her looks, Lin May was approached by a scammer who promised to rejuvenate her face. Being young, the actress was gullible and hoped that her beauty would improve. However, instead of receiving the promised collagen injections, which are a common and temporary treatment for smoother skin and reduced wrinkles, she was injected with cooking oil, baby oil, or water. As a result, Lin May's face became deformed with ugly lumps. At the age of 30, the actress sought various cosmetic surgeries to correct the damage. But things only worsened. Although doctors tried to remove a small portion of the oil that had damaged her face, this method left permanent scars on the actress's face. As Lin May grew older, her appearance continued to deteriorate. The actress faced much criticism due to her unrecognizable face and even earned the title of one of the plastic surgery disasters of the world. A face marked by imbalance and distortion. Her story serves as a serious warning about the dangers of entrusting cosmetic procedures to inexperienced practitioners. It emphasizes the crucial need for thorough research and caution when considering such treatments, as the pursuit of perfection can sometimes lead to irreversible consequences. Tara Jane McConaughey, 31 years old. Australia, shares, "I've had breast implants 5 times. In addition, I've had a nose job, a Brazilian butt lift, and Botox injections along with fillers." However, her beauty transformations are not limited to Australia, her homeland. Instead, Tara has traveled the world to realize her dream of a perfect body, spending her youth and up to 75,000 pounds on cosmetic enhancements. The Australian model confidently claims that she looks much younger than her actual age. As a model, she is also known by many internet users as a cosmetic surgery addict, driven by her obsession with achieving a doll-like appearance, which completely overtakes her rational thinking. Despite already having a size of 1.050 cubic centimeters, quite large compared to the average woman, Tara still hopes to push her breast size up to 1.500 cubic centimeters additionally. She is considering changing the color of her eyes, eyelashes, and eyebrows. She even plans to have some of her ribs removed to achieve a more hourglass figure with a sharper waistline. She shares that she has become addicted to cosmetic surgery and wants to increase her breast size even further. According to Tara Jane, her favorite feature is her lips, which attract the attention of curious men. She spends a lot of time caring for her lips, keeping them plump and sensual. And she regularly uses filler injections as a routine, each time she freshens up her appearance. It's like a dose of motivation that pushes Tara to continue enhancing her body. Dr. Nassif bluntly expresses his concern about Tara's overall health, it's not just about cosmetic surgery. But I feel that this woman needs treatment for both her physical and mental health. Tara mentions that she has undergone 6 nose surgeries, 5 breast surgeries, and numerous filler injections. She has been invited many times for interviews by news outlets. Tara is not shy about appearing in public and is willing to share her perspective. I think in this day and age, it's important that each person expresses their true emotions and what they consider beautiful. Cosmetic surgery is my choice to help make myself more beautiful, happier, and more satisfied with myself and life. I feel more confident after each cosmetic surgery because I see myself becoming a more beautiful version. We will talk about Yulia Tarasevic, a beautiful Russian woman. This queen faced a heartbreaking challenge when her cosmetic surgery went terribly wrong. Wanting to improve her appearance, Yulia underwent procedures at a clinic in Krasnodar, including eyelid surgery, eye revision, and mini liposuction. However, instead of achieving the delicate look she desired, her face became severely swollen. At the age of 43, Yulia struggles with the physical and mental damage caused by these complications, which disrupted her daily life. Reflecting on her story, Yulia shared, "I came to them when my face was still healthy and beautiful. I just wanted to fix a few minor details affected by the aging process. But unfortunately, now I've lost my health." Yulia explained that most of her face is now in an abnormal state. She cannot move her facial muscles as before, and she cannot even close her eyes properly. After experiencing complications from the cosmetic surgery, Yulia spent more than 620 million VND in the hope of improving the issues caused by the complications. But the results were minimal. Currently, Yulia has decided to file a lawsuit against the 2 doctors who performed the surgery. However, the doctors responsible for the initial cosmetic procedures explained that the problems after the surgery arose from Yulia's individual constitution, as well as rare underlying issues in her body that they could not have detected before performing the surgery. Yulia stated that she had to spend 7 times more money to correct the major complications than she initially spent on the surgery. And in the future, she will continue to spend more on recovery treatments. Nevertheless, Yulia knows that she will never regain her appearance before the surgery. Yulia mentioned that the most serious issue she faced after the surgery was treating her eyes, which were at risk of necrosis. Yulia is currently pursuing a lawsuit against the 2 doctors who performed the surgery. She believes that they were negligent and that the issues she encountered were entirely due to their mistakes during the cosmetic intervention. Her story serves as a serious reminder of the potential risks associated with cosmetic surgery and emphasizes the importance of thorough research and careful decision-making before undergoing such procedures.
Singer Pete Burns passed away due to heart problems related to 300 previous cosmetic surgeries. Pete Burns became famous in the 1980s with the band Dead or Alive and later appeared on many reality TV shows, drawing attention after undergoing 300 cosmetic surgeries. His passing left many fans heartbroken. His addiction to cosmetic surgery was an indirect cause of Pete Burns' death. He once declared that he would never stop undergoing surgery in his quest for perfection. The number of surgeries I've had is probably up to 300. I hope when I'm 80 years old, I'll go to heaven and God won't recognize me. Burns said his obsession with cosmetic surgery began more than 2 decades ago. When he was achieving success on the charts with the hit, "You Spin Me Round," I knew I had to look really beautiful. I had a broken nose after a collision with someone's head in Liverpool, and it got shifted to one side. The star spent £750 on surgery, hoping to get a beautiful nose. But the operation failed. Pete Burns had to undergo surgery again to fix his face. And after that, a series of surgeries followed, including nose jobs, cheek implants, and lip enhancements. But his lip enhancement also went wrong. The filler he was injected with spread throughout his face. Burns once shared, "I started getting holes in my skin. If I just touched my face, it would make a sound and ooze yellow liquid onto the mirror. After suing the surgeon and receiving £450 in compensation, Burns continued to undergo around 200 surgeries in 2 years to fix everything, for 2 years. Every week I had surgery to remove the filler that spread to my cheeks, throat, and behind my eyes. The doctors couldn't do anything about my liver and kidneys, so I had to excrete it myself. Taking too many medications after the surgeries severely affected Burns' health, causing him to be hospitalized. The singer recounted, "My body formed blood clots and I had blockages in my legs, heart, and lungs. I had dark spots on my skin that I thought were bruises. One time, my driver came into the house and found me unconscious and not breathing." After 10 days in the hospital and taking blood thinners, Pete Burns was lucky to recover. However, his cardiovascular system still had problems, and he passed away after suffering a cardiac arrest. Changes in appearance remain a subject of public interest, reflecting society's obsession with beauty and the impact of cosmetic enhancements. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.